Today, we find out if a rechargeable Amazon light can fix the lighting problem in this closet. The closet only came with one light, and it's pretty dark in this corner. In the box, we have the remote, the mounting hardware, and of course the light. It seems pretty bright. We'll get it mounted and see how it does in the closet. The instructions show two methods for mounting the light. We have adhesive strips on this metal bar, or the screws and anchors. We're going into textured drywall, so we're going to be using the screws and anchors. Here's our light, and it's held on by these two magnets. We'll mount this metal bar to the wall and hang the light on using the magnets. We've decided that the best place for the light would be right here, so we're going to make our marks and drill our holes. Make sure you pick a drill bit just a little smaller than your drywall anchors. Push in your drywall anchors. The kit did not tell me what size drill bit to use. I ended up using a 3/16 bit. That's the one I ended up determining was the closest. There it is. The installation is complete. Nice and simple. 2 screws. Get you another light in the corner. This one is adjustable. You can change the temperature of the light. You can dim it. Has timers, motion sensors. It's got a remote. It's rechargeable with a USB-C. So far it seems pretty good. It adds substantial light to that dark corner of the closet. I will be following up. Thank you for watching.